Most maintenance problems don't start with a fix. They start with how the issue gets reported in the first place. Someone sees a leak, a light's out. Someone reports it, but there's missing information, or it gets submitted to the wrong team. Suddenly your technician is going in with the incorrect information and your delays snowball from there. That's why we've rebuilt our request portal experience to make the request submission process actually work. With a new experience, you can create unlimited request portals, each tied to a specific site, asset, group of sites, or group of assets. That means users only see what's relevant to their location or role, no long dropdowns, no routing mistakes, no email chaos. It's all based on what you configure. Each portal also generates a unique QR code. You can place it right on a door, a wall, or any piece of equipment. Anyone can scan it and submit a request instantly. No login, no app, no training required. Once submitted, requesters get email updates with a magic link to check status, follow up, or add comments. Internal teams can leave private comments so your texts stay aligned without requesters seeing behind the scenes back and forth. This turns the messy part of maintenance, reporting, and routing issues into a clean, trackable, and automated process that actually scales across your locations and across your assets. If you've struggled with inaccurate requests, missing info, or work orders that start with confusion, this is your fix. Build a portal in minutes. Print a QR code. Start routing your requests to the right place the first time.